Hello, Panthers. This is Mr. Hernandez The Tech Teacher, and welcome to our Q4 Week 6 BeeBot coding assignment. Let's go to my website to get started. Alright, Panthers, this is for grade levels, kinder all the way to 4th grade. You're going to be doing this at some way or shape or form this week. My 5th graders will do something a little bit differently in class. You'll see when we get there. And so for my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday groups, you will only be doing BeeBot online, and I'll tell you what we're going to do here in this video. My Thursday, Friday groups, you'll see me in person, and we'll be able to do both BeeBots online and in person, right? The real BeeBots. But anyways, let's go to BeeBots here online. And so for my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday groups who do BeeBots online, this week I'd really like you to focus on the ones with roads, the maps with roads. And so if this is your first time doing BeeBots, take some time to explore. I know last week most of us got to start BeeBots. Some of us did not, but that's all right. If we click on this button here, it says select your map, and we click here, the first one says alphabet, then it says Spanish alphabet mat, and then card mat, then here it says community mat. For those of you who start this week, I'd really like you to try to drive purposefully through the town, whether it's this town or the country road map. I'd like you to take some time and really try to navigate through the roads. I ask you this because if you get to do the real BeeBots this week with me on Thursday and Friday, you will be doing some mazes with the BeeBots. I've created some mazes. I'm going to put them on the tables, and you're going to have to navigate, code your way through the mazes. And it's very similar to these road maps on the BeeBots online. So let me try that with this one. I'm going to try to navigate him to the end of the street, take a right, and then take a right, and you'll see. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 blocks forward. There's a right turn, and then forward, and then another right turn, and then 1, 2, 3 blocks. Let's see where I go. Take a right, forward, take a right, forward. Nice. And so I'm going to clear my code. Don't forget, anytime you see this, the end of your coding program that you did, press clear. Let's make him go to the left and forward. I'm going to clear that. Can we get him to go off the map? No, he stops right there. But anyhow, Panthers, please, for those who do BeeBot online, try to make your way to the roads, the ones with roads, whether it's community map, country road map. There's also go-kart rally mat, another little dirt road right there. And then Wild West, the old West mat. And this one, I think you just really have to try to go over the bridge and then make your way through. This one's kind of interesting. You end up going across the bridge. We want to avoid the snake. I guess we're going to go through the corral in this case. Oh, I wanted to go back over that bridge. I don't want to go through the railroad. Let's take the left. Clear. I'm always clearing that code. Left turn, forward. Oh, let's go one more step. And then forward. So anyhow, Panthers, this is Q4 Week 6 BeeBots online, and for some of you, BeeBots in person. Can't wait to see you in class. Bye for now.